I had a dream I was rich. Bad bitches all over my dick. I shipping all over my wrist. The bitch said she wanna get lit. Oh my, she fresh and clean. She wanna get daddy for me. Oh shit, she freaky. She jump on my dick. I told her just do it again. Again and again and again. Again till we both go insane. Suddenly I feel like I'm Bruce Wayne. In the coupe just reaching his lanes. And the nigga just got in my way. And I hop off the roof with a stick. I was angry, I couldn't stay chilled. That's my nature, I either get peace. They don't give a fuck how do I feel. So I gotta be cold and I kill. Yeah, I gotta be cold and I kill. So I pull the trigger on my Glock. Shoot a nigga, say to break his skull. If a nigga like to run his mouth, I'm a top of nigga, leave a mark. I'm a boss puncher like Mike. I woke up feeling like I'm Kenyatta. Everybody was calling me sire. I was God like Haile Selassie. Beat the nose, I feel like Gaddafi. Feel like Sonic, I know I can stop me. Hey, bitch, no one can stop me. Hey, that was my dream. Bitch, I had a dream. Yeah, we a dream. Hey, I had a dream. Riding in a Lamborghini, riding in a limousine. Bitch, I had a dream. Yeah, it was my dream. Yeah, it was good till my ex showed up and this shit turned to a nightmare, nigga.